Once the job is posted, then all the candidates who are interested in that job opening will apply to that job. So once the job is applied, then definitely the HR will receive lots of resume. So if suppose the candidate are 100 plus, if suppose the candidate can be 50, candidate can be 10, so based on the interest shown by the candidate, you will receive a resume or the applications for the job opening. So now it is a duty of an HR to decide which application should be carried forward, or a system match. Like some companies are now very advanced and they are created a system by using a technique of machine learning to like which are the resume which fit for the job requirement best. So they just uh, bifurcate the all the application that is received for the applicants, and the system will just filter it out with like what are the best match and what are the worst match and what are the middle match. So like this is how the system will match, and all the best match resume will go forward to the HR. So now it's the responsibility of the HR to schedule the job. So now basically scheduling interview. So interview scheduling is one of the oldest recruiting practice in the book, but it is also necessary a procedure because it is a critical to the backbone of the entire hiring process. But nowadays the technology has advanced. Now every company has created its own tool which will help them to hire a candidate, like to track the progress of the interviewer or the hiring manager and with the HR. So to coordinate all three in one page, the tool has been created so everyone can see what is going on and what to track, like the interview is in progress, the interview is in hold, or the interview has not started, pre-screening, post-screening. So every or the interview is on hiring stage. So whatever the status will be, it will be shown in the tool. So now the technology has advanced, so the tool is definitely a helpful part. Definitely, scheduling interview efficiently saves your time and promotes positive experience for both the candidates and hiring team. So there are some few ways which we'll learn best practice for scheduling an interview. So the first practice we should understand is coordination. So the coordinate with the hiring team early on. So the HR should definitely coordinate with the hiring team, because this is a very I think not a hectic process, but this is a little bit a hectic process, because the hiring team who has releases this job requirement might end up might end up have a very busy schedule. Whenever the HR will tell this is a slot, but sometime there is a meeting, sometime there is a client meeting, sometime anything can happen at any time. So that's a slot, you need to fix a slot at that time. Also, to reduce the time you spend of administrative tasks during your hiring process, coordination well beforehand. Arrange a quick meeting with your hiring team to discuss how to schedule the interview before you start receiving applications. For example, you should ask your hiring team, like, let you know if they are busy during the particular day's time, or let them know that provide you with the